I sit in rooms full of people, and still feel invisible. Not because no one talks to me, but because no one really sees me. I laugh, I nod, I say, I'm good. But there's a war in my head, always loud, always asking, did I say too much, or not enough? Did I matter, or was I just filling space? Some days, I carry too much silence. Other days, I talk too much just to hide what I actually feel. I'm not weak, I'm just tired. Tired of being the one who feels everything, quietly. They say I've changed, but no one ever asks why. And maybe that's what really broke me, not the pain, not the loss, but how easy it was for them to forget I was ever there. I don't even know what I'm holding on to anymore, but letting go feels heavier than staying broken.